Baby, it's cold outside. Can you make some chicken soup tonight?
The answer is yes! We're doing chicken soup tonight!
Of course.
Hola chicos y chicas! ¿Cómo están? How are you? We are here. This is Mr.
Jamas.
And he is gonna be assisting us with the chicken soup. This is called chicken enchilada soup. It's very good for your soul. And in a special day like today, with cold weather, como el clima frío, and if you being in a car accident or whatever, and you go home and you're mad with everybody, you just have this chicken soup, and it's like,
Yeah.
heaven. Okay, chicos. So, let's see the ingredients, my friend. ¿Verdad? Okay, vamos a ver los ingredientes. We are gonna need, okay, vamos a necesitar one onion, a small onion or medium onion chopped, okay? Una cebolla pequeña o mediana picada, okay? Ahí la tenemos. Yo puse 3 ajos, but it's 2 big garlics, okay? 2 ajos grandes, 2 big garlics, okay? Then you're gonna need, this is chopped green chilies. I'm gonna use Del Paso. They recommend this, for this recipe, this brand, because it really tastes good. Ellos recomiendan esta marca porque es la buena. Si no tienen esto, you guys don't have this where you are, don't worry, this is like bell peppers. Entonces son como los chiles dulces. Bell peppers, chile dulce picadito. Pero si lo tienen y you are close by, this is the one that we're gonna need. Este es el que necesitamos. Una latita. Luego una lata de cream of chicken. Una lata de crema de pollo. Okay? Cream of chicken. Okay? 1 can of cream of chicken. Okay? We're gonna need steak sauce, salsa de bistec. Then maybe Mr. Llamas can help me pronounce this. This is
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire. Yes,
sauce,
Worcestershire sauce. Okay? 1 tablespoon, una cucharada de salsa de steak or A1. Una cucharada de 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, de salsa Worcestershire. Okay? Luego una cucharadita de chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of curry, 1 pound of Velveeta cheese. You like this cheese?
Oh yeah, I love it.
I love it. Everybody loves it, right?
Yeah.
You love it. Los adolescentes les fascina. Queso amarillo, okay? De derretir, 1 libra, 1 pound. Of course, we're gonna need 2 chicken breasts, 2 pechugas de pollo. Que mis amigos, my friends, I'm gonna show them here. Okay, let's put here. Y tenemos aquí, we have here, 2 chicken breasts. Entonces tenemos, we're gonna take them. I cooked them already. Ya yo los cociné with a lot of seasonings. And I add a secret. I add this chile, habanero chile, pepper, but for flavor. Don't pop it, okay? You just cook it with onions and garlic and oregano and Goya, okay? You cook the chicken, and we're gonna use 2 chicken breasts, okay? Those, for my friend, you can take it back to our station. Y we're gonna need 3 cups, 3 tazas de chicken soup, okay? Entonces, the same broth that you cook the chicken, el mismo caldo en que cocinaron el pollo, lo usamos for the recipe. We're gonna use the chicken broth from the chicken that we cook the chicken for the recipe. Vamos a usarlo. Entonces son 3 tazas. So we have here 2 cups. Tenemos aquí 2 tazas. Okay. Here 2. Okay. El mismo caldito que cocinaron. So the same water in which you cook the chicken breast, you're gonna use it for the chicken soup. Okay. Y aquí 1 cup. Sí. Vamos a ver. There, 1 cup. So, vamos a apartar esto. Tenemos 3 tazas of chicken broth. 3 cups of chicken broth. Mi asistente, thank you. So, vamos a ponerlo por acá. Okay. So, very careful. Okay, part of the recipe. Then we're gonna need 1.5 cups of water. Taza y media de agua. Onion chives, cebollitas cortaditas. This is for the end, al final. Paprika, smoked paprika, okay, paprika ahumada. Y tortillas, Okay, chicos, ready guys? Ready,
Yeah.
chico? Okay, we're gonna be ready to cook this chicken because tenemos gente con mucha hambre. We have people with a lot of very hungry, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
hungry.
Entonces, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get our onions. Vamos a llevarnos nuestra cebolla y nuestros ajos. We're gonna peel the ajos and cut them in little, like this. Okay, very fine. Your mom cooks with a lot of garlic too, right?
Oh yeah.
Yes, she's a very good in the kitchen too, ¿verdad? Okay. What's your favorite food? ¿Cuál es tu comida favorita?
My favorite food, probably like rice
Rice?
and like noodles and
I
stuff.
know, I love that.
I love ramen and all
Oh,
that.
yes, like the pancit that we made,
Yeah.
¿verdad? Hicimos unos videos. Entonces vamos a picar los ajitos bien finitos, vean chicos. We're gonna chop the garlic very fine, okay? Okay, my friends, not difficult, ¿verdad? You don't want to taste a garlic in your soup, so very fine. Okay, so we're gonna vamos a llevarnos the garlic, the onions, and a little bit of oil, y un poquito de aceite para aquí. Let's come here. So, ahora vamos a correr esta ollita, okay? We don't need this anymore. And we're gonna put our pot for the chicken soup. So, see how easy it is, chicos. Vamos a ver qué fácil es esta receta. Echamos un poquito de aceite. We're gonna put a little bit of vegetable oil or any oil that you prefer. Now, my assistant, we can put the onions.
All of it?
Mr. All of it.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
dump it, baby. Eso, good job. Like in a slow motion.
Thank you.
Muy bien,
Oh,
thank
all
you.
of it? Sorry.
And then you can put the garlic as well.
Oh, okay.
All of it.
Okay.
Yes,
I'll just like this.
yes, yes.
Okay.
No problem.
Wait, show us, John. Just slap it in there.
Oh, like
Everything.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it?
I think so.
Yes. And now we can use this spoon to
Stir it.
Stir it, exactly. Okay. Till it gets greased up.
Oh, like crusty.
Yes, little greased
Oh,
up.
okay.
You got it?
I think so.
Awesome. And now here with me, I'm gonna start cutting the chicken while Llamas cooks the onions and the garlic. We're gonna cut the chicken into, the chicken actually dissolves. Está tan cocinado, it's so cooked that it dissolves in little pieces. You see? Like in little pieces. Y bien en el color, you see the nice color from the condiments. I put curry when I cook it. Le puse curry, comino, cumin. So all those. So we're gonna shred the chicken and we'll be back. Eso, chicos y chicas. Okay, ya aquí estamos. We're here back and we got the chicken. Cut it. Tenemos el pollito desmesurado, okay, in pieces. This recipe, esta receta, comes all the way from New Mexico. Viene de Nuevo México. It's a beautiful state. And actually from the city of Santa Fe. Have you been in New Mexico, James?
No, I haven't.
No?
But I plan to go there someday.
It's so pretty. It's muy lindo. I've never been there either. But we can show some pictures in the video so people can see. Okay, well, we're going to add the chicken. Ya tenemos el pollo desmesurado. Entonces, Mr. Llamas, que estamos con la cebollita, we're going to add all the chicken. Okay? It's lindo. So, yeah, this town where this recipe is from Santa Fe, it was built in 1610.
Oh.
So it's the oldest city, one of the oldest cities in the US. Can you imagine?
That's cool.
Yes, it's very pretty. It has a lot of adobe, clay buildings.
Oh, like ancient civilizations.
Yes, yes. Oh, se nos cayó un pollito, pero ahí brinca. It jumps. Like ancient civilization, yes. And it
Yeah.
still has people that comes from tribes, like indigenous.
Oh, yeah, indigenous,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, and a lot of Hispanic, y muchos hispanos. A lot of traditions. Okay, so Mr. Llamas, we can mix.
Oh,
With
yeah.
the, so we're gonna mix here, mezclamos la cebolla y el ajo y el pollo. The onion, the garlic, and the chicken. Okay. Awesome. Now we're gonna add everything except the cheese and the tortillas. So, vamos a añadir el caldito de pollo. Okay. Then we're gonna add everything. Oops. Oh, it exploded. Okay, here's the caldito. Okay.
Oh, man.
Everything. Yes, it's good. Yes. Okay. And we're gonna add todos los ingredientes. Vamos a irlos añadiendo. Okay, I'm so happy to have Mr. Llamas as assistant today. Tenemos un asistente, sí. Porque it's much more easier, it's más fácil. Okay, vamos a agregar, we're gonna add the chilies and the cream of chicken too. Okay. Entonces, aquí. Okay, estos son. They're like, you see guys, they're like bell peppers, ¿verdad? They're not spicy, okay? And they give flavor, okay? But the recipe calls for this brand actually. La receta habla de esta marca. Okay, entonces le echamos eso, los peppers. And we're gonna add the cream of chicken. Vamos a ver, ponerle más fuego. Okay. Cream of chicken here. Uy, you want to come out. Vamos a hacer una cucharita. Oh my. Problemas técnicos aquí. Now we add the cream of chicken. Okay. Esto es fácil. Okay. We add little by little. Okay. Yes. I'm gonna add a little bit of water so it will get much more out of the can. Okay. Okay. And then you see we can add a little bit and then cup and a half of water. But I'm gonna use this water to be able to take everything out of the can. ¿Verdad? So we use everything. Okay. Así. Yeah. And cup and a half of water. Taza y media de agua. Everything is just add and add, ¿verdad? Solamente añadir y añadir. So it's easy, fast, and delicious.
This looks so good.
Now I'm going to do this. Now, okay. Yama, you want to help me with this?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Okay, we're going to add here, this is a tablespoon, una cucharada, okay, of this. This is the Worcestershire sauce, right?
Yeah.
Worcestershire sauce.
Oh.
Okay, 1 big tablespoon, una cucharada of Worcestershire sauce. Eso! I have a very good assistant, yes, no dripping. Okay, and then 1 tablespoon, una cucharada de A1 sauce.
Okay.
Oh.
It's coming out, it's coming out.
We used it all last night.
Yeah, you use it. The camera
Or steak
there,
night.
use it. Okay, una cucharada de A1 sauce. Y luego, okay, we can, yeah, actually, let me see.
Yeah, I think.
We can get a little bit out with this.
Yeah.
Well, let me get una cucharita. No desperdiciamos nada. Oops. Oh my god. Las cucharadas. This is. Okay, chicos. There. Okay, y ahora una cucharadita, teaspoon here, of chili sauce. Chili powder.
Oh, okay.
Chili powder. So let me see. Okay, here. Shake it. This is a little spicy. You wanna try it?
Like
little
to
spicy?
Taste it?
See if it's
okay.
spicy for you.
Oh, mine.
Spicy? yeah. Okay, so that's why 1 teaspoon, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Y luego tenemos curry. Okay, we're gonna use 1. Oh, okay, so can you hold me this?
Oh, yeah.
Take it.
Don't put too much.
Okay. And we're gonna add a little bit of curry. If you don't like curry, don't add it. You can add cumin, okay, instead. But
Just a
this
little
is
bit.
gonna be a little bit, yes. We're gonna add here una teaspoon, una cucharadita de curry. There. All right. And now we can mix it. It's just so perfect. Okay.
Let me see.
All right. So, chicos, we're gonna let this. Vamos a dejar esto simmer, okay, to cook and get everything integrated y que todo se integre. While we do this, we're gonna show you how to do the tortilla chips that we're gonna add to the soup at the end. Vamos a hacerles okay, so entonces you're gonna reduce the heat, reducing el calor, put the lid, okay, ponen una tapita, and let it simmer. And we'll show you soon about the tortillas. Hey, chicos y chicas, llamas. You like this cheese?
Oh yeah, I love it.
You love it mucho, mucho? You love it a lot?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay, me too. So vamos a agregar, we're gonna add this cheese to the soup, okay? And you're gonna see how it changes in flavor and in color, ¿verdad? Okay, so we have the soup. You can just dump it, chico. Yes. A whole gold. It looks like a gold. Parece un oro. Ahí. So the whole cheese goes here, ¿verdad? Lo tenemos aquí. And we're gonna let it cook. Okay, lo vamos a dejar cocinar este quesito amarillo. This yellow cheese. Este queso amarillo que se derrita, that it melts and adds the flavor to the soup. Okay? So while that happens, we're gonna put the lid. Okay? Reduce this and leave it there. And vamos a hacer los chips. You wanna do the chips?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, vamos a hacer chips here. So, this chicken tortilla soup or chicken enchilada soup has tortillas, but people add it at the end soft, okay? But I like it to crisp them. Que me gusta más que queden tostaditas. So if I crisp them, put them like in the oven, they'll go crispy, and you add it crispy in the soup. It tastes better para mí. So that's a change that I'm gonna make. So how we're gonna do the chips? So we got the tortillas, okay? I'm gonna cut them in little stripes, mira. En pequeñas tiritas, like this. This is good with chili too. We did a recipe with chili and we did chips as well. So it's the same chips, las mismas tortillitas. We're gonna add some from this to the pan, okay? And then we just put the chips here, okay? And we add some salt, and then do another set. You wanna do some set?
Sure.
Sure? Okay, so Llamas is gonna be careful,
Very
okay,
good.
with the knife, and cut it in stripes, okay?
Okay.
Are you sure?
I think
Yeah?
so.
You want me to cheer you? Come on, Llamas,
Sure.
you can do it, you
Okay.
can do it. Be careful, yes. Mm-hmm, good. Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh,
Is this
yeah,
good?
exactly, good job.
Thank you.
Yes, good job. Little strips, and we're gonna add some salt. Okay, añadimos sal y some of this spray on top, so they will get crispy. Okay, you know, Mr. Llamas. Yes, I'm gonna check on the soup while Llamas is doing the chips and see how everything is coming together with our soup. Okay, vean como esto. See how this soup is getting much more thicker con el quesito with the melted cheese. So we're gonna let it stay there for a little longer, okay? And let it cook. If you cook the chicken, si ustedes cocinan el pollo way before, like the night before or the day before, is better. Es mejor si cocinan el pollo la noche anterior para que el caldo de pollo, so the chicken broth is much more rich, esté más concentrado, more concentrated. Entonces, vamos a chequear aquí las chips. How is the chips doing?
I think
Yeah.
yeah.
You're going good.
I have to
Perfect.
work on it.
Don't worry. Yeah, we just stir them there. Entonces, perfect. You make like a necklace.
Just gotta rip them apart.
Yeah, we can tear them apart, no problem. So we just gonna spread them out. Okay, that's chips. Yeah, and you see, so we're gonna add more salt, más sal, y more of this. Okay, and when I do the whole tortilla set, vamos a terminar las tortillas, and we'll be back with almost the soup ready. Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna place this in the oven at 365 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna place it in there for 15 minutes. And then we close it.
Mommy, you can show the soup how it's getting. Llamas, you wanna come see the soup?
No,
Oh, yeah.
it's okay.
Yes, well, the chips get ready. Look. Okay, vean la sopita ya con el quesito already integrated. The cheese already integrated, el queso ya integrado. Y lo vamos a dejar que se cocine mejor. We're gonna leave it cook better. So we're back. I guess dinner is almost ready. Soup too. Chicken soup for the soul, right?
Yeah.
Sopa de pollo para el alma. Hola chicos y chicos. Hi chicos y chicos. Tenemos las chips. So we have the chips. And Mr. Llamas, the most important thing. What is the smelling? ¿A qué huele?
Oh yeah, it smells really good. Yeah.
Really good.
Uh-huh.
Really good. Huele rico, ¿verdad? Ok, vamos a mostrarles la sopa y we're gonna start serving it. Y vamos a empezar. Ok, chicos, look at this. Look at this cream of soup. Con el pollito, los chiles y los sabores, the flavors. So, okay, vamos a servir. We're gonna serve, and I want to show you how we're gonna serve this. Okay, so imagine a full day of school, a full day of what? Sports, or playing in the band, right?
Yeah.
A hard day with the band.
I'm tired.
Tired. So Llamas comes home like dragging himself, right?
Yeah.
Like almost.
Yeah.
I need some powerful food, right? Okay, so we're gonna serve yams, and we're gonna add some tortilla on top, and these guys, los chives, las cebollinos, y paprika. This is if you guys like. You like paprika?
I guess so.
A little bit. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of paprika. Okay, just a little bit of colorful. We're gonna add the chives. Okay, and our tortillas, nuestras tortillas. Okay, and look, chicos. Okay, so we have our first victim. Tenemos nuestra primera víctima to try it. Okay, let's see. And this is how we
It's
do our
pretty hot.
tortilla soup. So I want to serve myself. Voy a servir yo. Be careful, it's still hot. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. There. Put my chives. Okay. You tell me how it is. We're gonna
Okay.
put a little paprika.
It might be hot. Like,
Might be hot.
yeah.
Yeah.
Is it good in salt or?
Is it hot?
I made it a little bit cold.
Okay. Vamos a echarle las tortillitas, crispy tortillas. Okay, they get soft inside the soup. Okay, so let's try this. And this recipe, thank you to Eliana from Costa Rica. She gave us the recipe
Oh,
from
thank
her
you.
mother-in-law, that she's from New Mexico. Ella es de Nuevo Mexico. So,
you.
vamos a probar. Like it?
Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. This is so good.
Let's see. Is it good in salt? ¿Está bueno con la sal?
With salt?
Yeah, salt is good.
Oh yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh.
It's delicious. The tortilla, the cheese, the chicken is not that heavy, right? No es tan pesado.
Oh yeah.
And it's really good for your body. Makes you feel good. And thank you so much, my friends. Gracias por suscribirse, for subscribing for the recipes. Thank you for sharing recipes, por compartir recetas with us so we can give them. Y thank you, Yams, for joining us today. Gracias por el día de hoy.
Oh, no problem.
It's been a heavy day today.
Yeah. I love this.
You
It's
like
good.
it?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much. Give us a like if you like it, and share it if you want to share it. And thank you so much, Eliana, for sharing your beautiful and great recipe. Gracias, amigos. Nos vemos.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.